Hi, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to the video series for JavaScript programs. In this video series, we are going to see some JS programs that may come for your online IT exam, and the weightage of the marks is 5. So as per your paper pattern, question number 8A and 8B, this is the place where you will find this question right program. So question number 8A will have HTML programs, which will carry 5 marks, and question number 8B will be for JavaScript. So here you will get 2 questions of JavaScript. You have to solve only one. So today we are going to see some programs that may come in your online IT exam. So I made a list of all these programs that are expected. You can find them on this blog called scienceitnews.blogspot.com, and just go to Advanced JavaScript tab, and you will get a summary of this entire chapter, and at the bottom some question list is given. So we are going to solve these questions and find the solution for this. तो यहाँ पे देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. इन प्रोग्राम्स का मकसद देखिए to input 2 numbers and do some arithmetic calculations like subtraction, addition, division. Okay. So we are going to solve this question. So for this, start Notepad++. Create the structure for the HTML web page. It starts with doctype HTML with the declaration tag that tells the version of HTML you are using. Then create the HTML start tags from where the code for HTML is. Then optionally you can also have your head section, and you can give a title for this. So we'll just say JS program as the title. Close the title tag. Then give the body section. Save this file. So we'll save this file with the name JS program 1.html, and I'll be saving this file under my folder. And in Notepad++, you have to specify what type of code you are typing. So you have to select hypertext markup language, because Notepad++ is used for a variety of computer languages. So type JS program 1 and save it as hypertext markup language. If you do not do this step, it will be saved as a textual file. So that .html has gone because this option is on append extension. So save this. As soon as the file gets saved in HTML format, see the color of the tag has become. So let's start with our program. We need to input 2 numbers and we have to print the arithmetic operation results. So your JS program starts with the tag called script tag. So script tags we can add in the head section as well as body section. By default, the scripting language is JavaScript for all the browsers. So there is no need to specify language attribute where we specify what the language we are using in this program, this web page. So this is not compulsory. Even if you just write script tag, it will take it as JavaScript. So first thing, we'll declare two variables that will accept the values. So we'll call these variables as n1, n2, n1 and n2. Then to accept values from the user, we have to use prompt function. Now this prompt function is available under window object. You must have gone through DOM topic, that is document object model of JavaScript, where the different objects supported in JavaScript, their purpose and the properties and a list of methods is given in your textbook. So from there we are taking this prompt function. We will write prompt. In the prompt, in the parenthesis, that is the bracket, you have given message and say enter a number, put a semicolon. Same way, input value for n2. So what we are going to do is just copy paste this entire statement and we'll change the n2 variable here. We put the n2 variable. Here we'll add enter second. So these two are the messages for the prompt form. You can have a just check out of your program how it's working. So go to your folder and double click JS program. So here the program gets loaded, and as soon as it gets loaded, the script starts working and the first statement is executed, that is prompt enter a number, press enter or OK button. The second, so here there is no output in our program because we have just accepted those. So there is no display statement nor we have added HTML tag. So if you want, you can just specify a header saying what your program is doing. You say this program for two values and display and calculate. Short message on the screen using heading tag. Now again I re-execute the program. Now it's showing this program to input two values. So that's not compulsory. You can even just have this entire program only with HTML tag and body tag and the script tags. So the values are gone in n1 and n2. So during runtime, n1 and n2 variables are created in the memory, and the values what you enter in that store. The next task is to perform the calculation. So what we are going to do for storing the result of the calculation, we are going to declare few more variables. So for subtraction, we'll take the variable as s, and for addition, we take the variable as a, and for product of these two numbers, we'll take the variable as b, and for finding the division of these two numbers, we'll take it as b. So we are just using letters as the variable. We can also have a descriptive name for the variable, that we can have sb and add and broad or table. That can also be. We are just creating four variables which are going to store the results of the calculation. We have s, a, b, d. So let's add these two numbers and store them in s. We write s is equal to n1 plus n2, put a semicolon. Then s is our subtraction. Subtract the second number. Then a is for addition of these two numbers. We'll write n1 plus n2 and semicolon. Then b is for the multiplication of this number, so that n1 multiply by n2. So for multiplication, asterisk symbol is used, okay, that is star symbol. Then for storing the results of division, we are going to write d is equal to n2 divided by n1. So we're taking granted for that the second number we are going to get a larger value as the. So now your JS program will perform this calculation and store the results in those respective variables. Now our next task is to display the output. We can display the output either using alert box, or we can also display it in the web page. So both the ways I'm going to show you. So we'll use the document.write method for displaying the results. So in double quotes we just mention subtraction result dash, and use the concat operator, that is plus sign, and display the value of s. So here why we need to use this plus sign is because this is a string, this is alphanumeric data, and s is a variable here. You cannot directly display the content in write function directly side by side. You need to join the content of the variable, that the result, the value of the variable to the string. So for this, JS provides this concat operator. This is also used for addition. So it has two functions. One is for concating, that is joining, and another function is to add. So this is the first result we have displayed. And same way, second result will be the addition result. So we'll display it on new line. So we'll use the br tag here, and our variable name is a. So let's have a check over this whether it works properly. So we enter the first number as 25, we enter the second number as 225, and press enter key. So we got the result. Subtraction is 200, sorry, that is 225 minus 225 after 200. But you could see that the addition result is showing 25 to 25 is wrong. Why such a wrong result? Because we have used this plus sign here, correct? A is equal to n1 plus n. As we know, plus is also used as a concat operator and also for addition. Now, whenever the prompt function accepts the value for an n2, by default it accepts as a textual value, as a string. So here n1 and n2 both are string type of variable. So when you use plus sign with the string variable, it is going to join. So we got the output as 25 to 25. So both the numbers are joined and displayed. So you need to convert the input accepted by prompt function into an integer. So there is one function called parse int, and we have to use that function. So when you are accepting the value, put the prompt function in the parse int. So I'm going to write here parse int open bracket, and inside that we are going to add the prompt function at the end. Yeah, so it is like this. So this is our parse int. So you are going to write n1 is equal to parse int open bracket close bracket, and in that, inside that we are going to add prompt function. Okay. So here two brackets will come at the end, because the first bracket is for the prompt and the second bracket is for the parse. Same way for the n2 also will use the parse int function. Again here we'll put two brackets. Okay. So this is how we convert or we extract an integer or a numeric value from the text. The same way, there is one more function called parse float, which is used to extract floating point numbers from the prompt box. At present, we are just entering integers. We take it as parse int. You can see the name of the function parse int. In that, I is capital. That's the naming convention by JavaScript. Wherever a function has two words in its name, the second word's first alphabet will be always capital. This you have to remember. If you write small I, the function will become invalid. And so we have saved this, and again we go to our program and refresh it. Again we enter the same numbers. 25, next is 2, 25. Now let's see what the output comes for the addition result. Now you can see the correct result we got, that is 250 for the addition. So this you should not forget, you should use parse int, else your addition result won't come. So same way now I will display the result for product. So we'll say, this will say multiplication result. So the variable name is P. So here plus P will come. And same way for division result. In exam also you should do this copy paste, so time will be not wasted in typing the entire step. These are the 4 statements that are going to display the results. You can even write this in one statement itself under document.write, and joining these statements using the concat operator and yes. So we save the program and refresh. Again we enter the same numbers, 25, 5. Let's see what the results will be. So this is the multiplication result and this is the division. That is correct. We again refresh the program and we try with another numbers. So now I'll be entering the first number as 30 and the second number as 380. So now let's see the output subtraction. Correct 350 addition. You could see the division result has a decimal part in it. That is like 6 digits. So this is how you write the solution for such JavaScript. So in exam, you need to directly write the answer, that is the HTML tag and the script tag part, in the box provided. In exam, you cannot test the output of the script. Whatever you do, just go and type and test your script by running on in the program provided time. So that's all for today. We'll see the next video on the next question. So we have solved all this one time. So sometimes you may get just to print multiplication of only addition. Sometimes it may ask you all the 4 numerical operations to be performed on these ones. One thing is remaining, that is how you can display the result in alert box. You can also show the result in alert. So instead of document.write, we have to write the alert. Let's see, we are displaying the subtraction result using alert. So we go to the program and refresh numbers. So the subtraction result we got it through the alert box. Click OK, and the remaining result we got it on the web page. So this is the solution for question number 1.5 given on my blog. You can take a screenshot and try it. Even you can practice JavaScript from file by online JS scripting on my the page also I have added that. So to visit the page 7, we have a page I'll add form, code form, practicing. So WP schools JavaScript. W3 schools also provide that we can use it to run JS program online. You can type the script and click on run button, check out. This will work fine with your mobile phone. I will also provide you the link in the description. So that's all for today.